Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing y'all how I achieve the sleekest lock pony. And when I mean sleek, it's sleek. So we ain't gonna waste no time. We finna jump right in. But wait, give me a quick second. It's one thing I wanna let y'all know. So yesterday I recorded this lock wash routine video. So if anybody is interested in how I maintain my locks, how I care for my locks, my wash routine, what products I use, etc., make sure y'all go check out that video because it has some really good information. Other than that, let's get going. The essentials you will need for this lock pony is some got to be glued hair gel. Now we use this sparingly. We don't put this all over the hair and do a little too much with this. We do the bare minimum, and I'm gonna show y'all what I mean by that. Now this is the secret. Don't tell nobody, don't try to tell nobody, but this is the secret. So this is what's gonna get y'all hair to lay down flat and get that look that you're looking for. So this is Style Fixer Braiding Gel Maximum Hold, and it does just that. You will also need some hair ties. So I got this spiral hair tie, and I love this for my locks. And what I noticed about using this, it makes your locks fan out a little bit more than a regular hair tie, because this will have your hair flat. The spiral actually like plumps your hair. Y'all, I don't know the right terms, but I think it plumps the hair up and like fans it out. Y'all get where I'm going though. Y'all get where I'm going. I also have my soft bristle brush. But I have my brush. Y'all get what I'm trying to say? Like, it's coming out, but not really. And last but not least, I have my edge brush. Now, we're gonna do these edges, make sure they lay down, they looking cute, so our pony can really pop. Oh wait, I lied, that's not the last thing. The last thing is like a hair accessory. So this is just a scrunchie that you could put on. And fun fact, I got this at Walmart. It was in a 3-pack for like $1. And I was looking for jumbo cute scrunchies like this. So when y'all checking that clearance, make sure y'all check that clearance, because they got all types of good stuff in there. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna take my pony down because this one is not it. Before I do my ponies, I usually add oil to my hair just so it's some type of moisture going on. But since I already washed my hair and did all that yesterday, we just gonna get right into it. First thing first, you wanna establish where you want your pony. So I got my spiral scrunchie here, and I'm gonna put my ponytail in a position that I want it. And when I comb through my locks with my fingers like a rake, I'm making sure I'm getting any lumps, clumps, or anything that just might be sitting there. So I'm just pulling my hands through so everything could be flat. All right, so this is where I want my pony at. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap my spiral scrunchie around. And I'm gonna do that twice, and I'm gonna leave it. And what this scrunchie pretty much does is hold everything in place while we are applying our braiding gel to our hair to sleek everything up. And you don't have to worry about having to hold your pony, put it, brush it, and then trying to work with one hand. We're gonna use both. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take like a good amount. I might take more than this, to be honest with y'all, but I'm gonna start off with this, rub it in my hands, and get it worked into my hair. Already, it's coming together. For the back, I just take me like a good scoop, and I just scoop it all across that back because I just know it be frizzy back there. All right, so now y'all can actually see it's really starting to sleek up, and I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see how the back is looking. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start brushing everything up to where my spiral scrunchie is. Guys, y'all see how sleek that's already becoming? All right, so now that I have everything brushed up, I'm gonna take my regular scrunchie, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place that at the base of my hair. Now that my scrunchie is placed into my hair, I am just gonna go ahead and do my edges. like that and I'm recording my video. Now that I have my edges done, we're gonna use this got to be glued. So I'm just gonna take a very small amount, like this much, rub my fingers together and just put it right on the edge line. And that's what's gonna keep my edges down and sleek the whole day. Literally, that's all I do. I don't want no residue all in my locks or nothing like that. So I just put it on my edges and it makes it hold for the rest of the day. Now that my pony is like 95% done, I'm just gonna take a little bit more of this braiding gel and slick just like a little bit more on top. Once you sleek it, just go ahead and brush it just a little bit. It's like a little touch up after you do the edges and everything. Now, that's not it. We got a little bit more. Now, go ahead and grab you a scarf. I don't think I mentioned this in the beginning, but this is also key to laying your pony down flat. So grab you your scarf, fold it up. And I'm just gonna fold mine a little bit. I'm not gonna fold it too much. Now that my scarf is folded, I'm just gonna put it on my hair and tie it just like this. Now you want to make sure it's tight, but you don't want to make sure it's too tight where your circulation is not flowing. So just make sure you got a good press on your hair. Once you have your scarf on, you're just gonna let it sit on there for a good 2 to 3 minutes. Just let it bake in the oven for a little bit. Take care of whatever you gotta take care of. And when you take it off, it's gonna be beautiful. Now it's time to go ahead and take off the scarf. I told y'all. Last but not least, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my hair accessory. So this just makes your pony pop a little bit, you know, like it gives it a cute look, cute vibe. Once you have your scrunchie on and fixed to how you like it, that's pretty much it. Like, pony done, pony sleek, pony cute. All right, y'all, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next one.